Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Morgan from Morganic Essentials, and today we are going to be making a delicious bourbon honey glazed grilled peach. Why? We're actually approaching the end of peach season, so you can find a lot of peaches on sale at your local grocery store. I promise you, this is one of the easiest recipes you'll see. So I'm gonna get right into it. We're just gonna cut these in half, okay? So these are 2 ripe peaches. You do wanna make sure they're ripe. I'm gonna take the seed out. And I say that because it'll be sweeter the more ripe it is. So now we've got these gorgeous peach halves. You take whatever bourbon or whiskey of choice, pour a little bit in this saucer. I'm actually gonna add some honey to this little bowl. So I'm gonna take this little brush and mix it up. A little bourbon honey mixture. Yeah, that's looking good. So the next thing I'm gonna do is gonna brush this on the peach halves. So it just gives it a little honey bourbon flavor. Brush liberally. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Next thing I'm going to do is sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon and just the lightest dash of cayenne. This isn't gonna be a spicy recipe, but it is gonna warm it up a little bit with the cinnamon, okay? Or if you want it spicy, shoot, go for it. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of oil on this cast iron grill. It's not on yet. Obviously, if you have an outdoor grill and you're already using it and you're making something else, it's easy to just throw peaches on there too for a nice little dessert. It pairs really well with meat too. We just have this little cast iron grill for the stovetop, but it works great. All right, so the griddle is hot. I'm going to add peach to it. And this doesn't take long. We just want it to get those nice charred grill marks. Let's just add the other ones to it too. Okay, that's looking good. Let it. All right, so now that these are done, you see those nice, pretty grill marks. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this honey bourbon mixture that we had earlier. Just add a little bit more here to the top. Look how pretty. This is a light salted caramel ice cream treat, our little dessert today. Now we're gonna do a dusting of more cinnamon. A little more than dusting, but that's okay. Okay, and there you have it. You've got your grilled peach with your honey bourbon glaze. We're gonna go in for the taste test with our grilled peach. First, let me just try the grilled peach by itself. It's got that nice little bit of a smoky char, and it's also got a hint of that bourbon, the sweetness from the honey and the peach itself, and the cinnamon and cayenne just warmed it up a bit. It's not super spicy, but let me try it with this ice cream. This right here, solid 10 out of 10 dessert. Oh my God. If you're grilling for dessert, I tell you what, throw some peaches on the grill. Oh my God. All you need is a little honey, a little bourbon. You got your cinnamon. Oh my God. And this is a little light salted caramel ice cream. It goes so well with it. So easy to make. Go home and give this a try. Comment below, have you thrown fruit on the grill before? Some people put them on burgers too, but I think this will be nice in a salad with some feta cheese as well. I don't know, now I'm getting ideas, but guys, I hope you enjoy this. Thanks so much for watching. Check out some of our other videos. We got another caramelized peach video, you know, up here, or any of our other videos. Eat well, be well, and I will see you next time.